CBD oil, a natural approach. If you've been hearing buzz about CBD, but aren't quite sure what all the excitement is about, you're not alone. This powerful natural compound has been making waves in the wellness world, and for good reason. Let's break down why CBD might be the game-changing ingredient your skincare and health routine has been missing. What exactly is CBD? CBD, short for cannabidiol, is a compound found in hemp plants that's completely different from THC. Unlike its cousin that causes a high, CBD is non-psychoactive and packed with potential health benefits. Think of it as a natural superhero for your body and skin. Your skin's new best friend. For anyone struggling with skin issues, CBD could be a total game changer. Here's why. Fights inflammation like a champ, helping to calm red, irritated skin. Helps balance oil production, which means fewer breakouts. Provides powerful antioxidant protection against environmental damage. Can potentially help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. More than just skin deep. CBD isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. When taken internally, it offers a range of potential wellness benefits. Natural stress relief, potential help with sleep issues, support for overall emotional balance, possible pain management support. How to use CBD. There are two primary ways to incorporate CBD into your routine. 1. Topical application. Creams, serums, and oils that you apply directly to the skin. These are great for targeted relief and skin health. 2. Internal use. Oils, capsules, or gummies that you can take orally. These support overall wellness from the inside out. What to know before you start. While CBD sounds amazing, and it is, it's not a miracle cure. Everyone's body responds differently, and results can vary. It's always best to start with a low dose, 15 milligrams a day, increase to 20 milligrams a day after a week, on up to 40 or 45 milligrams a day after several weeks is average. Choose high-quality, third-party tested products. Consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions. Be patient. Natural remedies often take time to show their full effects. The bottom line, CBD represents a promising natural approach to skincare and wellness. It's not about chasing a trend, but about finding a holistic way to support your body's natural healing processes and immune system. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen.